The equations to a pair of opposite sides of parallelogram are x square minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0 and y square minus 6y plus 5 equals to 0. The equations to its diagonals are. So what is given here? The opposite sides of parallelogram are given. X square minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. So which can be factorized and can be written x minus 2 into x minus 3 equals to 0. So the equations of the opposite sides of parallelogram are here. X is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. And another opposite sides of parallelogram, y square minus 6y plus 5 equals to 0. So this can be factorized as y minus 1 into y minus 5 equals to 0. That is y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5 is a set of another parallel sides. So we can just show this sides of parallelogram in the diagram as x is equal to 2. This is x is equal to 2 line and x is equal to 3. So this is the line x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1 and another line y is equal to 5. And we can just mark the point of intersection as the vertices are 2 comma 1 and 3 comma 1 and here 3 comma 5 and 2 comma 5, and hence we can find the diagonals. The diagonals are like, suppose if I consider this is A, B, C and D are the vertices of a parallelogram. AC is one of the diagonal. We can find the equation of AC by taking 2-point form. Equation of diagonal of parallelogram AC is equal to, we can write y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So which implies y minus 1 by x minus 2 is equal to 4 upon 1. So which also can be written y minus 1 is equal to 4x minus 8, or we can add 4x minus y minus 8 plus 1, that comes minus 7 equals to 0, or 4x minus 7 minus y equals to 0, or we can add y is equal to 4x minus 7. This is one equation of a diagonal. And another diagonal by taking, so we can join BD. BD is one more diagonal by taking the points 3 comma 1 and 2 comma 5. Equation of another diagonal. Equation of another diagonal BD. So which implies the points are here 2 comma 5 and 3 comma 1. 2 comma 5 and 3 comma 1. So we can write y minus 5 divided by x minus 2 is equal to 1 minus 5 divided by 3 minus 2. So which implies y minus 5 divided by x minus 2 is equal to minus 4 upon 1, or cross multiplying y minus 5 is equal to minus 4x plus 2, or we can write 4x plus y is equal to 2 plus 5. So I can write this equation as 4x plus y is equal to 7. No, 1 second. This is 4x plus, this is 8. So 8 plus 5, 13. So we can go with 4x plus y is equal to 13. So another diagonal equation is 4x plus y is equal to 13, and one diagonal is y is equal to 4x minus 7, and hence we can go with an option y is equal to 4x minus 7 and 4x plus y is equal to 13, the third option. So third option is the right answer.